Modern hot spring resort ba ang hanap nyo? Highly recommended ko po ang SB Hot Spring Resort. Malinis, well-maintained, and complete amenities pa. Wala na kayong gagawin pa kundi mag-enjoy buong araw at mag-relax sa kanilang hot spring swimming pool. Remember, life is so short, kaya dapat kunin natin ito ng masasayang alaala kasama ang mga mahal natin sa buhay. Fit na fit din po ito sa barkada at company outing. Wala na kayong hahanapin pa. SB Hot Spring Resort.
If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know why I fell apart. You feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, I never wish a lonely heart on you. And it's not your fault I choose to play fool. One day they come when you'll be in my shoes. Then your heart will break and you feel just like I do. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know why I fell apart. You feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, oh, and time turns the table, soon I'll be able to find a new romance.
It's not so easy. Love will lead the way for us, like a guiding star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my life for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. No one will change my whole life, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Can't explain when you're near. I'm just not the same. I try to hide it. I try not to show it. It's crazy. How could it be? I've fallen for you. Finally, my heart gave in and I'm falling in love. I finally how it feels when you say